When you hear the word crypto, I bet you think of Bitcoin. And you're right, Bitcoin was the first. But today there are over 20,000 cryptocurrencies, each with a different role and purpose. I'm Stasha from Swap Space Academy, and in this lesson we'll break down the three main types of crypto, so you'll know exactly what sets them apart. Let's start with Bitcoin, the first cryptocurrency launched in 2009 by the mysterious Satoshi Nakamoto. It introduced a peer-to-peer money system without banks or governments. Today, Bitcoin still dominates nearly 50% of the market. It's known as digital gold. Over 15,000 businesses worldwide accept it. So, is Bitcoin worth betting on? First, what's good about it? Decentralized and secure, a strong store of value. Adoption keeps growing. But there are downsides. The network is slow. Only 7 TPS. This is Visa's 65,000. Fees spike when it's busy. And mining consumes more energy than entire countries like the Netherlands. After Bitcoin came the rest, altcoins, short for alternative coins. They bring variety and innovation, faster payments, smart contracts, privacy tools, community-driven projects like Ethereum. Like a self-driving car, it runs smart contracts automatically. It powers the apps, NFTs, and DeFi, handling over 1 million transactions a day. Litecoin is more like a sports car, lightweight, faster, and cheaper than Bitcoin. Then you have Memecoins, Dogecoin or Dogecoin as you prefer, and Shiba Inu. Born from internet jokes, yet worth billions at their peaks. And beyond that, utility tokens like BNB fuel ecosystems. AI coins experiment with blockchain plus AI. Together, altcoins are the experimental lab of crypto, testing what's possible. On the plus side, variety and fresh ideas, potential for bigger gains than Bitcoin, faster, cheaper transactions. On the flip side, prices swing violently. Many still lack wide adoption, and with less oversight, scams can happen. Like OneCoin, a revolutionary crypto that turned into a multi-billion fraud. Quick quiz. Which coin once hit a market cap of nearly $19 billion? Dogecoin, Litecoin, or Chainlink? Believe it or not, it was Dogecoin. That shows how viral and popular altcoins can become. But here's the catch. What goes up fast can crash just as quickly. In 2021, after Elon Musk's famous SNL appearance, Dogecoin price dropped over 40% in a single day. Many investors lost thousands overnight, and it's a reminder, altcoins can offer massive gains, but also massive risks. If you want stability, enter Stablecoins. They're designed to hold a steady value, usually pegged to the US dollar, euro, or even gold. Every day, stablecoins see over $80 billion in trades and appear in more than 70% of all crypto transactions. Why? Perfect for cross-border transfers, everyday payments, and protecting savings during market swings. In short, they solve crypto's biggest problem, volatility. Three main types: fiat-backed like USDT or USDC, crypto-backed like DAI or SUSD, algorithmic like Terra or FRAX. Pros are clear: steady price, fast, cheap transfers, essential for DeFi apps. But the cons: fiat-backed coins depend on trust in the issuer. That creates centralization risks. and they face growing regulatory scrutiny worldwide. Got a clearer picture of crypto types? Then hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment with one word: Bitcoin, altcoins, or stablecoins. Let's see which one wins. Those who like and comment enter our $20 weekly giveaway. And don't miss our next lesson, where we'll dive deeper into the difference between coins and tokens. See you there!